So here we have some saffron threads, yellow bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, fresh minced parsley, water, and I am condensing this down. Once it gets fully condensed, I'm gonna mash it. Alright, I mashed it up. Looks absolutely beautiful. Very rustic. I have put on the fresh burrata cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven now. It's extremely beautiful in color, mashallah. Absolutely wonderful flavor, mashallah. The parsley has a nice herbal touch. Man, there's nothing like making stuff from scratch. Alhamdulillah.